Hello, in this video I want to show you how to wipe cache in VIVO S17. And to do this, first we'll need to power it off. Click on the power key and volume up key at the same time, and here click on power off button. Now give your phone about 10 seconds till it fully shut down. Now click on the power key and volume up key again at the same time till you see fast boot mode. Inside, we need to go down with the volume down key. Click on the power key to enter recovery mode. Now our touchscreen should work fine and we can click on clear data, and here we can clear our cache. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.